This week I was invited to the Comera Pods in Waterford. Let's go have a tour of their award-winning pods. The first thing I noticed when I walked in was how big it was. It wasn't cramped at all. It even had a TV for those perfect couple evenings watching Netflix. There was a load of space under the bed for storage, perfect for all those date night outfits. And now, time to try out the bed. Oh, so comfy. That's the packing taken care of. Let's dig into some lovely wine. And here's the toilet. Very, very comfy, nice and big shower, and it's time for bed. Good night.